Today, we're going to be talking about earning money online as an affiliate on Clickbank using ChatGPT. The whole process will be explained step by step so you can do it as well. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is ChatGPT and how can it be used to make money? Well, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that can generate human-like text based on a given prompt. This opens up a whole world of possibilities for marketers and entrepreneurs looking to create unique and engaging content for their audience. And that's where Clickbank comes in. Clickbank is one of the most popular affiliate marketing platforms out there, and it allows you to promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you make. But here's the thing, creating unique and high-quality content is crucial to succeed in affiliate marketing. And that's where ChatGPT comes in. By using ChatGPT to generate unique product reviews, blog posts, and even entire websites, you can stand out from the crowd and increase your chances of making sales. In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you step-by-step how to set up a Clickbank account, find profitable products to promote, and how you can promote them to make money online. So, if you're ready to learn more about this exciting opportunity and start making money online, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next video. Alright, now that you have a general understanding of how ChatGPT and Clickbank can be used to make money online, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of setting up a Clickbank account and finding profitable products to promote. First things first, you'll need to create a Clickbank account. Don't worry, it's a simple process and only takes a few minutes. Once your account is set up, you'll have access to thousands of products that you can promote and earn a commission for. To see all the products you can promote, you can click on the Affiliate Marketplace option in the menu on the left. Once you have done that, you want to click on all in the menu so you can see all the categories that you can promote. We suggest you find yourself one specific niche to promote and stick to that. In this example, we will try a product from the diets and weight loss niche, so let's go to that category. Now, all the products from that category will show on screen. As you can see, each of the products shows the average dollars that people earn per conversion. The gravity score next to it shows how popular the product is. The more sales the product makes, the higher the score will be. So make sure to use the right product to promote. We recommend you to choose products which offer recurring income if the offer has this is mentioned like this. Make sure to choose a product that actually pays a decent recurring income. How much the specific offer pays is mentioned right here. In this example, we will use this product to showcase how everything works. If you want to know how the affiliate page is looking, you can click on the affiliate page button. For example, we can open up this page. As you can see, this will be the landing page for the product we are promoting. If you don't like the affiliate page, you can always check out different offers. Make sure to only promote something you actually like. To promote the product, you can click on the promote button, which is quite obvious, of course. A pop-up will appear on screen. Here you want to fill in your Clickbank username. After that, you want to click on Create Hop Link. Now your affiliate link will be created. It will show right here under the Create Hop Link button. Now click on Copy and paste the link into a notepad or something to save it for later use. If you want to, you can shorten the link with tools like bit.ly, or you can create your own landing page with a link to the offer. Now let's go to Quora.com. A link will be in the description. Here you want to search for something related to your niche. In this example, we will search for lose weight. Now click and search and wait for the results to show on screen. Now on the left, click on Questions, which is located under the By Type filter. Now from there, select a question that has not too many answers, but that does have a lot of followers. This is important so your answers can rank on the top of the page. Now go to the question page and wait for the page to load. Once it's loaded, you want to click on the Answer button, which is located at the top of the page, just under the question title. Now, this is the most important step. You want to copy the title of the question and go to ChatGPT. A link to ChatGPT will be in the description of this video. Once you have opened up ChatGPT, you want to paste in the question. Now this tool will do the magic for you. All you have to do is wait until the answer to the question is written by ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is done with generating the answer, you want to copy the text and go to Quillbot.com. A link to this website will be in our description. Once you are there, you want to paste the answer into the field like we show on screen right now. Now click on Paraphrase and wait for Quillbot to rewrite the text for you. Now as you can see, Quillbot changed the text for you, which makes the text unique and human-like. Now you want to copy the rewritten content and paste it into the Quora answered box and place the answer. Please note, make sure to always rewrite the content from ChatGPT. This is to avoid Quora Shadow banning you for using AI-generated content. Also, make sure to not post your affiliate link here because that is against Quora's terms and services. Now we want to go to your profile on Quora so we can optimize this a bit. You can do this by clicking on your profile avatar in the right corner. Once your profile is loaded, you want to click on Write a description about yourself. Here you want to write introduction. You want to write how you want to help your dream customers. For example, how you want to help people reach financial freedom, or in this example, we will write that we are a certified diet coach that want to help people achieve their diet goals. You can ask ChatGPT to generate this content for you. You can, for example, ask ChatGPT to write an introduction script for a business coach. Once you have done that, you want to post your affiliate in your profile as well. You can do this by following the steps we do on screen right now. We recommend you to create your own landing page so you can make the promoting of the content more personal. It is, of course, also fine to promote the affiliate link directly. Once you have done all this, we recommend you to at least answer 3 or 4 questions a day. After some time, you will gain more and more traffic to your answers and profile. This will eventually end up in sales completely free without any upfront cost. If you want to learn more about making money online using AI tools like ChatGPT, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this tutorial on how to make money with ChatGPT and Clickbank to be helpful. If you want to learn more about how to make money online using ChatGPT, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.